Hey guys, it's me. I hope your first Monday at Googly School is going really well today. I know that Mrs. Alessandro had ELA today, and I'm not too sure about the rest of your schedule. I have to go back and look at that slideshow that I made you last week. But science is coming up tomorrow at noon. Okay, so science, I will be live in the classroom teaching tomorrow at noon. So today I want to talk to you about the S.A.V.A.G.E survey results. So if you remember, the S.A.V.A.G.E survey was you guys checking out the district links for all the websites that they wanted you to go to and letting me know like which ones you visited, which ones were awesome, which ones stunk, and all of that. So we're going to go over our survey results first, and then we're going to go over the analysis assignment that I gave you guys, because I did tell you there would be fabulous prizes, right? And I will be sending those out. Okay, so here we go. The least visited sites of all, according to the survey, and I will compliment you, 81 students completed the survey out of 124, and that gives me a percentage rate of, Alexa, what's 81 divided by 124?
81 divided by 124 is 0.6532.
0.6532, that's 65%. So way more than half of you participated in the survey. Good job. So I hate to break it to you, people over at Breakout Edu and Wonderopolis, you had the least amount of visitors in the Hackett 6th grade class. I wonder if that's because they were at the bottom of the list. Those were the last two that I asked people to visit, and they were also the last two links posted, and they were the last two in the survey list. So anybody that was using the survey list, maybe you just got kind of like tired of clicking through these and didn't want to do the 8th and 9th link that they left you, but who knows? Those were the two least visited surveys. The website that had the most nobody felt any kind of way about it, it just wasn't doing it for you, was Physics for Kids, right? I got reasons for this, like it's not visually appealing. It's not user friendly, right? It's kind of really old schooly HTML, just like titles and links. There's not graphics. There's not like all kinds of helpful buttons and stuff. I don't know what's wrong with my angle today, and my kitchen window's glaring. How's that? Is that a little better? It's kind of messy over there. Let me see my soda stream. All right, so that was not user friendly. Now, I know you're dying to know what were the most the sites that made you the happiest out of all the sites that were scientifically just all about it and made you want to engage. Okay, and we're going to count them down. So the third most visited and most thumbs up place that you guys liked was Nat Geo Kids. National Geographic Kids was awesome. There's a clip off of the down there. I'm getting better at this. Down there, clip off of the games screen where you can see they have like all kinds of topic quizzes and stuff like that there. Anyway, you guys really like this one. You had a lot of good things to say about it. You liked that it was engaging. They had a whole section on COVID-19, and it seemed like a lot of you were curious about that, and it gave you a lot of good information. So that one was a big hit with you guys. All right. Next was Brain Pop. Now, originally, when I posted the Brain Pop link, the lovely Miss A.M., those are her initials because we don't want to say her name online, reminded everyone that there was a paywall on Brain Pop. And then I found out that there is a free login just for you. So if you look right here, that's the login. Your username is Albany Schools with a capital A and a capital S, and the password is Albany, and you can get into Brain Pop and play all the games, right? The number one most visited and beloved site of all was Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. All our favorite Mr. Bill Nye. And I got comments like, It's Bill Nye. What's not to like? And we have to all agree with that statement. So those are the most visited. Now, let's talk about the survey analysis. So the day before the survey was actually due, I did post the statistics there. I'll stay in the corner. I posted the statistics for visitation by sixth grade so far, and I broke it down by period, and I gave you guys the comparison number or the fraction of students that had participated in the survey. And I asked two simple questions. A, which period had the highest percentage of students complete the survey, and which periods had at least half of their students complete the survey. So there was an easy way around this. Now, you saw me cheating with Alexa, right? I asked Alexa to divide a number by another number, and she gave me a point dot dot answer. Well, guess what? Point dot dot is a percentage, right? We know decimals can easily be converted to a percentage rate. So if I divide 14 by 25, I get a 0.56 something something answer. It doesn't have to be even. You can round it to the second decimal point after the second place after the decimal point and get your percentage. So period 1 had a participation rate of 56%. Period 2, you go period 2, participation rate of 65%. 48 for period 5, 54 for period 6, and 38, I'm sorry, period 8 and period 9. I think I made a mistake there. Nope, you both had 38%. Although I will say period 8 eked out period 9 by 0.4%. Their actual rate is 0.385, while period 9's actual rate is 0.381. So just so you know, even though they're tied, when we break it down to a rounded percentage rate, in the end, period 8 kind of eked out a little bit more there. So the correct answer to the first question was period 2 had the highest percentage of students participating. And for the second question, periods 1, 2, and 6 all have participation rates above 50%. That means more than half the students participated in those classes, right? Okay. I told you guys to figure those two answers out and submit the answers to me. I hate to break it to you. Some of you submitted blank answers. It said you turned it in, and when I went to look at it, there was nothing there and I couldn't see your responses. And a couple of you responded in comments, especially period 6, but I gotta break it to you. You guys, you made such a small mistake in the way you put your answer out there. You didn't give a complete answer, especially for number 2, and therefore I could not put you in the pool of students that answered correctly. So the winners of the fabulous prizes, and by fabulous prizes, I mean probably something like a sticker that I'm gonna mail to your house, are, get ready, here it comes. Survey analysis winners are Miss Ash C. Ash C. Ash C. You know who you are, Ash C. You're in my second period. I can't say your name on the internet. Second winner, Peton F. Peton F. She also got all of the answers correct. Great job, Peton F, from first period. And the last winner of the survey analysis winner list is there it is, Cam V. Cam V, you are a winner, and you are also from second period. Just killing it all around. Second period, highest participation rate, and 2 students answering the questions correctly. And there is a celebratory dancing corgi gif on the slide for you. All right. Okay. What else did I want to tell you guys? Yeah. So tomorrow is going to be our first new material science class. I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to do this, but there will be new material posted in the classroom at noon tomorrow, and I will be sitting in the classroom waiting to interact with you through our virtual classroom environment. Okay, so that's the way it's going to work. I miss you guys. I'll see you soon, I hope. And congratulations to all the winners. I'm going to mail your stuff out today.